Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to deposit ZAR or Rand into your Binance account. All right, so this is the screen, this is the home screen, and then I'm going to hit add funds. So you see here deposit ZAR, then I'm going to hit deposit ZAR, and here they'll give me two options. There's linked payments and there's Absa Pay. If you are with Absa, you are going to select this one, and it's going to go quick and all that, right? You just select and then you hit continue. But if you're using another bank, except for Absa, then you're going to select the first one, basically the default one, because that's what they selected by default. Then I'm going to hit continue, and you see here there's a pop-up that comes up to say you can only use accounts under your own name or your linkage will fail. Okay, great. Now we are going to link our bank account. Continue. So just take note here that you can only link these banks here. Okay, so you can see that there's no Capitec. So if you're using Capitec, you won't be able to link that account number, unfortunately, but the others you should be good to go as represented here. Okay, so I am going to use Standard Bank, and then I'm going to put my details here, my Standard Bank details, and then I'm going to log in, and that then I'll just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, so I'll see you right back. Okay, now we've linked our card or our account number successfully, right? And now the next step is to then buy or deposit ZAR into our account. All right, now I'm going to deposit 2,000 Rand, all right? And then you can also see the fee here. They're telling you the fee is 25 Rand and you'll receive 1,975. Okay, great. Then I'll say continue. And then redirecting to partners platform, you'll be redirected to a partners page to complete your transaction. Rest assured that your financial activity will remain secure and protected. All right, and then continue. Okay, OTP. Fiat deposit successful. Do you see, guys? And that was actually quick. That was quick. So from here, we are going to check assets. So your assets are now in your spot account. So let's go check there. Okay, okay, you can rate it there or skip. And when we come here, we're under assets now, all right? And then we'll see our ZAR here as well. So you can see now we have 1,975 Rand, which is equivalent to 119 USD. So what do we want to do here? We want to now go ahead and, for example, you might be wanting to convert this to USDT or BNB or Ethereum or whatever the case may be. All right. So in this particular case, we are going to convert this into USDT. So how do we do that? Now, you see this is now from assets, right? So just go to trade here, and then you don't have to do this, right? We can just simply go to convert. Okay, go to convert. This is the simplest way, and the most convenient for most people. Okay, now on here you can see we've got ZAR, and what do we want? We want USDT. So there's USDT, or you can just type it out there. Okay, say USDT. There we go. So we want to convert all of this. So I'm just going to convert all of this to USDT, and it's now 117 USDT. Okay, that's fine. And this preview, just take note that it changes every now and then, because this is, it's active. It's an active exchange rate. So that's why you will see it blinking every now and then, because it changes. But I'm good with this, so I'm going to preview. And then they're telling you I'll be getting, this is what I'll be getting. Transaction fees, it's 0. And again, you see this, it's going to refresh again, okay, until I basically confirm. And yes, I've confirmed. And now, all right, let's rate this, submit. And then, okay, so 117, I've got this now in my USDT, okay, and from here I want to basically go to my assets to view my USDT that I just bought. So I'm gonna, tap on the X right there, and I'm gonna go to assets. Okay, so here's my assets. Now I've got USDT on here, and from here I can do whatever I want, right? You can, send it out, do whatever, but now you've got USDT, and that's how you deposit ZAR into Binance, and that's how you also go ahead and buy USDT. I hope you found this video informative. I'll see you on the next one.